This eyeshadow shade is so cute, and every time I wear it, I fall in love with it even more. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you could use it. This is Kiss eyeshadow, and this is the last day that you could actually order it from Seint. This was the shade of the month for February, so it will be switching over tomorrow. We are going to have a new shade every month, but this particular one, you still have time to grab it. It is such a pretty peach glowy shade, and this look, I really love the way that it came out. It came out kind of like a 60s peach color. So here it is as an eyeshadow, of course, and I'm just using a few other shades to kind of deepen the outer corner. You'll find everything linked below, and I am going to show you a couple of different ways that you could also wear this to enhance your look. I use it as a blush topper, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting on my creams first, and now I'm going to go into the blush topper. It's almost like, I would say kind of like a highlighter, but it has that peachy pigment there. It is so glowy and subtle. It is so cute. I even put a little bit dusted on my nose there. I thought that was just like a really nice touch to bring everything together. And now I'm actually going to enhance my lip color that was nude and scarlet. And mixing those together, plus this Kiss color, gave me this juicy peach shade, which I absolutely love. Throw on some balm, and that is it. I love the way this came out. It's perfect for spring. I'm also going to show you, just as a little added bonus, what I do with the balm that is conveniently in my palette. This is great to use as an under eye hydrator before you put your makeup on, but it works so amazing for flyaways. It has squalane in it, which is amazing for your skin, but also for your hair. I love how the shade and the glowiness turned out. All of my info is down below. Contact me so you can get your own palette.